and welcome back to techystack channel. Before moving to our topic, if not subscribe the channel, please subscribe, share and like the video. And if you have any doubts, please mention in comment section. Today we'll try to understand whether the email is a valid email or not. For example, I have @gmail.com. It is valid email. So once you go to any organization, so as of now Outlook is a one organization. Outlook.com. So now I want to identify whether this Outlook.com is available or not. So user will give one mail ID. So in that mail ID, it's available or not. So Outlook.com is available or not. So for example, if I give some @.com, so this is invalid mail ID. So we need to identify the valid and invalid mail IDs. So for that, first I will take as an activity. So in this as an activity, I will make it as one variable email ID, and in this mail ID I will give the one data at gmail.com. So as of now I'm mentioning that's gmail.com. So you can try anything if you want. And the next step is we need to check whether gmail.com is available or not. For that I am taking the if condition. So once put a if condition, so I need to write a one small syntax email dot contains dot contains. So in that contains, I need to add. So here my mail ID is @gmail.com. I need to identify is equals to true. So if you have more, like for example, you want to identify some three or four, so then you need to give this some more like this. So just update the entire, and in that we can update some. Now I want to take outlook.com. So here I need to remove this or. So once this is done, so I want to display the message box. I'm just taking the message box here. And in this message box, I will mention valid mail ID, or else I will make it as mail ID is, I'll just make it as valid. And I will go to the else condition and I will make it here as invalid. Now I will try to run will see. See here, the given the mail ID is @gmail.com and it's valid. Now I will go to here and I change something here. So this is my invalid mail ID. So if I try to send that, I don't want to send the mail back. So before sending mail, I need to check that mail, whether that mail is valid to our organization or not. So once validation is done, only then I will be able to send the mail. So now this is invalid. So like this, we can identify whether the given mail ID is valid or invalid. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.